Two people work the exact same 40 hours a week and experience drastically different financial lives. One struggles while the other builds a fortune. Consider a village with no water. The elders hire 2 workers to solve the problem. Ed immediately buys 2 wooden buckets and starts walking. From sunrise to sunset, he carries water from the lake back to the village center. He works hard, and he gets paid for every bucket he delivers. Bill takes a different approach. He disappears for months, leaving Ed with no competition. But when Bill returns, he isn't carrying buckets. He brings a construction crew and installs a pipeline running directly from the lake into the village. Bill's water is cleaner, it flows 24 hours a day, and it costs significantly less to deliver. While Ed works exhausting nights and weekends just to keep his income steady, Bill earns a small fee from every drop delivered. He makes money while he sleeps, while he's on vacation, and while he's at dinner with his family. Hard work alone doesn't guarantee wealth. The vehicle of your labor, whether you are carrying buckets or building a pipeline, dictates whether you will spend your life chasing money or finally building it. For most of us, a standard 9-to-5 job is a modern-day bucket. You carry it to the office, you fill it with your time, and you get paid for the effort. This job is an essential safety net. It pays the rent and puts food on the table while you figure out your long-term strategy. Your salary buys you the time necessary to start your construction. But remember, the moment you stop carrying the bucket, the money stops flowing. True freedom only exists when income continues even after you stop walking. We can visualize this with a conceptual map dividing the financial world into employee, self-employed, business owner, and investor. The left side is employees and the self-employed. They prioritize security, trading limited hours for a paycheck. Many become their own boss, but quickly find they have simply traded one job for 10. Because a freelancer or a small shop owner is the entire operation, they cannot step away without the business completely collapsing. They are still carrying a bucket. It's just a bucket they own. This side of the map faces a massive tax disadvantage. Workers pay up to half their income in taxes, and the government takes its cut first, before the worker spends a dollar. Living on the left side means your income is strictly capped by physical time, and the tax code keeps you trapped on an endless treadmill. The right side begins with the business owner. These individuals own systems that perform the work, allowing the business to operate without them. They scale their wealth using OPT, other people's time. By hiring others to run the system, they break the limit of the 24-hour day. In the investor quadrant, people use OPM, other people's money, to acquire assets. They make money work for them, generating returns through ownership rather than effort. The right side operates under a different set of tax laws. Businesses are legally allowed to pay expenses first, reinvesting in growth, and only pay taxes on the profit that remains at the end. Governments offer these incentives to reward the people who take risks, hire workers, and invest capital. This makes the right side the only place where true wealth can be generated and kept. Moving from the left side to the right requires a complete shift in how you use your money. Strategy 1 is to stop buying liabilities, things that take money from you, and start buying assets that pay you. Strategy 2, find a mentor. Because the right side uses a different language and different rules, trying to figure it out alone leads to expensive failures. A mentor allows you to buy back years of your life by learning from their mistakes instead of your own. Strategy 3 is to avoid the lifestyle trap. Most people increase their spending every time they get a raise, which only makes their cage bigger. Refusing to upgrade your car or house keeps your capital free to build your pipeline. Strategy 4 is to win the emotional battle. Your brain is wired to crave the security of a steady paycheck. Recognizing that this fear is a physiological response helps you keep moving forward when the transition feels uncomfortable. These initial steps are entirely mental. You must stop your financial bleeding and conquer your own psychology before you can successfully build a system that runs without you. Strategy 5. Build systems, not products. Wealth builds inside the machine, the training manuals, the supply chains, and the automated processes. The product is simply the vehicle that allows the machine to work. Strategy 6. Become a professional investor. Take control of your own money rather than blindly handing it to experts. Start making small, educational mistakes today so you are prepared to manage larger sums tomorrow. This leads to the ultimate rule. Strategy 7. True wealth is built in your spare time. 2 employees can work the same office job for the same salary, but while one goes home to scroll on their phone, the other spends their evenings researching assets and building a side business. 5 years later, their lives will be unrecognizable from one another. Your 9-to-5 bucket keeps you alive today, but your financial freedom depends entirely on what you do during your 5 to 9. Dedicate those spare hours to building your pipeline, and one day you won't need the bucket at all.